Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to switch between workspaces in Oracle Linux 9 operating system. So here, by default, you can see that two workspaces are available. Okay, so 1 and 2. So I am switching between two workspaces. You can group your applications. Okay, you can group your applications in each workspace. That is the major use of this workspace. See here, I have opened the file explorer in one workspace, Mozilla Firefox in another workspace, and I am going to open system monitor in another workspace. So just I am doing drag drop only. So you can drag and drop. You can drag and drop in workspace. See here. So you can group their applications. You can prioritize your applications. Okay, for that purpose only workspaces is created. So I want calculator and disk utility in separate workspace, and I want system monitor and cheese application in another workspace. So I want text editor and Firefox in one workspace. So like that I have grouped some applications. So which will be very easy to switch over. So you can also close the applications. So if you close all the applications, that workspace session will be deleted. So I am closing all the application. See here, fourth workspace got deleted. Let me close this application. Third workspace will be deleted. So now second one. So second workspace session also got deleted. So like that you can group your applications using workspace in Oracle Linux 9 operating system.